Russian thistle is a terrestrial herbaceous weed native to Europe and Asia. Russian thistle in the United States is now known to comprise 7 distinct species. Of these, Salsola tragus sensostricto is probably the most widespread, and it is this species that is the subject of this video. Russian thistle was first discovered in North America in the second half of the 1800s and was likely introduced as a crop seed contaminant. This species is now found throughout most of North America and also Hawaii, though it is especially prevalent and problematic in the West. Russian thistle does especially well in sandy soil in arid or semi-arid disturbed plant communities. It is most frequently found growing along open roadsides, field margins, in sandy waste places in abandoned lots, deserts, and on eroded sandy slopes. In the western United States, Russian thistle is a major weed of agriculture, costing millions of dollars annually in lost crop yields, reduced quality, and the cost of weed control. It is the main pest preventing the adoption of alternative broadleaf crops, and it also serves as an alternate host for crop pest species. The spines on older plants make them unpalatable to grazing animals. Russian thistle often grows along roads, and its tumbleweeds interfere with traffic and can lodge against fences and structures, creating a fire hazard. Russian thistle is a summer annual forb that typically grows 1 to 3 feet tall. Most seeds germinate in spring, and plants quickly develop long taproots with fine lateral roots that help them extract deep soil moisture. Plants have an upright, sometimes pyramidal appearance when young, but their multiple, rigid, upward curving branches give them more of a rounded or ball shape at maturity. Stems may be green or tinged in red. They may have long hairs or be hairless. If hairs are present, they're typically restricted to stem ridges. Leaves on young plants are bluish-green, succulent, more or less cylindrical, stalkless, and may be over 2 inches long. These juvenile leaves are deciduous and drop off as the plant matures. Leaves of mature plants are alternate, rigid, spine-tipped, and broader and shorter than juvenile leaves, typically a ½ inch long. Mature leaves remain on the stem until the plant dies. Flowering occurs throughout autumn when flowers are produced individually in the axils of mature leaves. Each flower is surrounded by 2 to 3 leaf-like bracts. Flower petals and sepals cannot be differentiated and occur as a ring of winged tepals that form a wide disc varying from white to pinkish red in color. The diameter of the ring can vary markedly, but is less than ¼ inch on average. Fruits are snail-shaped, but are typically obscured by the surrounding bracts. Each fruit contains a single seed with a coiled embryo. A mature plant may produce 2,000 to 100,000 seeds, or even more, depending on site conditions. Fruits are often persistent on the plant after maturity. As fruits ripen, plants die, begin to dry out, and become brittle. Main stems eventually break off at ground level, often during a high wind. Plants then roll readily as tumbleweeds in the wind, dispersing seeds as they tumble. Most seeds germinate within 1 year. Plant skeletons can persist for a year or more and are often found along fences and other structures. The related and introduced opposite-leaved saltwort can occur in similar habitats with similar growth forms, succulent leaves, and non-showy flowers compared to Russian thistle. It differs in that its leaves are not spiny and it doesn't become a tumbleweed. Five-hook basia and kochia are also related and introduced to North America and can occur in similar habitats and form similar tumbleweeds. Although the flowers of both species are non-showy, similar to Russian thistle, both lack winged tepals, and their leaves are not succulent.